Welcome to our quick guide on setting up the Netgear AC1750 R6400 router. We'll walk you through the setup in just a few easy steps. Let's dive in. Unboxing and hardware setup. First, unbox your router, power adapter, Ethernet cable, and quick start guide. Connect your modem to the yellow internet port using the Ethernet cable. Plug in the power adapter and power on the router. Wait for the LEDs to stabilize. Access router interface. Connect a device to the router via Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Open a browser and go to routerlogin.net or 192.168.1.1. Enter the default credentials. Admin/password. Run setup. Wizard Mail. Access the setup wizard in the dashboard. Allow automatic detection of internet settings and follow the on-screen steps to complete the configuration. Set unique SSIDs for 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands and create strong, secure passwords. Firmware update. Go to Administration to Router Update and check for any available firmware updates. Install updates if available. The router will reboot if updates are applied. Reconnect your devices to the updated Wi-Fi networks. Use the Netgear Nighthawk app for mobile management. Setup complete. Enjoy fast, secure Wi-Fi. Outro. Like, subscribe, and comment if this video helped. Stay tuned for more router and network setup videos coming soon.